What a fine day everybody, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And today's video is on how you guys can buy Tether in Trust Wallet. Now before moving forward, I want to thank you guys for choosing our channel App Tutorial for watching this video. And by the end of this video, you guys will know how you guys can buy Tether in Trust Wallet. Now before I show you the process of how you guys can buy Tether, let me give you a brief description on what Tether and Trust Wallet is. Tether is also known as stablecoin. Why is it stable? Because its value is never gonna go up than $1 and never gonna go down than $1. One Tether is equivalent to $1. So just remember that. Alright, when you're buying one Tether, you're basically buying $1. So just keep that in mind. Alright. And for those people who do not know Trust Wallet is a digital wallet for storing your digital crypto. Since cryptocurrency is digital, you can't store it in a normal regular wallet. It's not possible. So you need a digital wallet. And Trust Wallet is one of that. And with Trust Wallet, you guys can store many cryptocurrency and it's one of the securest wallet around, alright? So you guys can easily use it by downloading it in Play Store or App Store. Now enough of that, let's get into the video on how you guys can buy Tether in Trust Wallet. Now before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first step is you want to open Trust Wallet and you want to go on buy. Now once you go and buy, you want to search for Tether. Tether is also known as USDT, alright? There's going to be two types of USDT. The first is ERC20 and the second is TRC20. So the first one is going to use Ethereum network to buy you Tether. The second one is going to use Tron network. And I would suggest you to use the second one because Tron network is really cheap than Ethereum because Ethereum gas fee is really high. So when you're purchasing like $10 worth of Tether, they're going to charge you like $6 to $7 gas fee. So if you don't want that, then go with TRC20. They're just going to charge you around like not even $1 for like $10 for the Tether, alright? It's really low. Go on TRC20. Once you're over here, enter the amount of Tether you want to buy and then click on next over here. After you click on next, basically it's going to take you to the page where you guys can buy Tether. Now once you're in this page, basically what you can do is you can enter your payment method over here. Now this page is not loading up in my screen, but after it loads up, it's going to ask me to enter my payment detail. Now after entering my payment detail over here, like my Visa or my MasterCard, I click on next and basically 150 USD, $150 worth of Tether will be bought. That's basically how you guys can buy Tether in Trust Wallet. Hope you guys were able to understand, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.